If your down gear is looking flat or feeling a little dirty after your adventures, bring it back to life with Revivex Down Cleaner. This specialized formula gently cleans down jackets, sleeping bags, and insulated gear without leaving any residue or fragrance, so your gear can feel fresh again without damaging loft or performance. It's as easy as tossing your gear in the washer. Add 2 capfuls per garment to the detergent compartment and wash per the manufacturer's instructions. You can also hand wash by adding a capful to a bin or bucket of clean water. Knead it gently to work the cleaner through, then let it soak. It's safe for natural and synthetic insulation. Rinse thoroughly, press out water, and air dry or tumble dry low. Add a few clean tennis or dryer balls to help break up down clumps and speed up drying to restore loft. Clean down means warmer, loftier, longer lasting gear. Ready for cold nights at camp and around town, or dawn patrols in the mountains. Revivex Down Cleaner. Wash it right, and your gear will keep you warm when it counts. Discover the full Revivex lineup online